Hello and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line. This Tiguan is powered by a 2-litre TDI 150 PS engine with automatic transmission. It's finished in the Urano grey paintwork with a black styling pack. To the side of the vehicle you find the 20-inch York alloy wheels, and to the front the LED headlamps that provide outstanding visibility. Other features on this Tiguan include a set of roof rails, rear-tinted windows for passenger privacy and keyless entry. Moving into the boot, which can be opened automatically, and you find the Tiguan offers generous space for everyday use, alongside folding rear seats, a partial shelf and shopping bag hooks. From the boot you can also access the Towbar. Into your rear seating, you find the interior to be fitted with a stylish cloth and leather trim seating, which features a folding armrest with cup holders and ISO-fixed mounting points. To the front you'll find your vent controls and 2 USB ports. Moving into the cabin, you find your front seat with manual adjustment and massage function, alongside other features such as wireless phone charging, USB ports, cup holders and storage inside the armrest. The heated multifunction steering wheel features cruise control and controls for your cockpit display. Behind the steering wheel you find your automatic gear stick. Moving on to the infotainment system, there are various ways to listen to media such as FM and DB radio and Bluetooth connectivity. You can connect your mobile device for hands-free use whilst on the road. Apple Carplay and AndroidAuto is available, furthering device connectivity. Navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and plan your journey ahead. You can access various vehicle settings. You can access your driver assist features. Driving profile is available with a range of drive modes for you to choose from. You can customise the colour of your display. You can access your front seat's massage function. You can also customise your speaker's equaliser settings. From the display you can also access your car's climate control system with heated front seat functionality. And this Tiguan comes equipped with parking sensors and a rear view camera, allowing you to park up stress-free. I hope you enjoyed this presentation on the approved used Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line that's now available to purchase at Wrexham Volkswagen. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below. Or if you'd like to arrange a test drive, please get in touch with our friendly sales team today. Thank you very much for watching, look forward to helping you find your next Volkswagen.